This is how to put the months in the right order in an Excel pivot table. So as you can see here, I have a pivot table and currently my months are not in the right order. So here's how to fix that. Currently, the sorting that I have here is a sorting by the cost of salaries from the smallest to the largest value. What's going on here is that the sorting is being made by the cost of salaries, but we would like to have it by the month column. So if you have this type of structure, simply identify this button over here, click on it, and just select oldest to newest. And once you have done that, the January, which is the oldest month, would be the first one, and then all of the other months would follow in the correct order. So this is how to do it. Let me know if this helped you. Thumbs up the video if it did. Otherwise, leave a comment down below and I'll try to help you out, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.